I wish I knew a lot of vocabulary. I would be speaking this language fluently and effortlessly. As we know, my friend, if we have a lot of vocab, we can really speak this language very good way. Because vocab plays the vital role, right? In order to speak this language fluently. But how can we learn it fast way? How can we enhance it fast way? Is there any way? See, as I told you, so without vocab, we can't speak this language. Why? Because if we don't have vocabulary, what happens? Our mind goes blank while explaining things, as well as we fumble. And that is the reason I think while speaking with people, we feel shy, right? Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning this language great way. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to learn vocabulary smart way. जब हम किसी से बात करने जाते हैं तो हमारे पास ज़्यादा vocab नहीं होती है, तो हम चीज़ों को सही तरीके से और जैसे वो चीज़ें हैं उनको उसी तरीके से एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पाते हैं। क्यों? क्योंकि हमारे पास वर्ड्स नहीं हैं, और जब तक हमारे पास प्रॉपर वर्ड्स नहीं हैं तो हम कैसे चीज़ों को एज इट इज़ एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, राइट? सो हमें अपने vocab को इन्हेंस करना चाहिए ताकि हम इस लैंग्वेज को फ्लुएंटली बोल सके। फ्लुएंटली बोलने का मतलब क्या है कि आप अगर किसी चीज़ को एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं तो आपको फंबल नहीं करना चाहिए और आपका जो माइंड है वो ब्लैंक नहीं होना चाहिए। आई मीन दैट यू शुड स्पीक इन फ्लो। एंड हाउ इट कैन बी पॉसिबल इफ़ यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ vocabulary, राइट? सो in order to improve vocabulary or enhance vocabulary, what can possibly be done? My friend, if we want to improve our vocabulary fast way, there are multiple of ways. As we know that for learning any language, listening plays vital role, right? When we listen and watch, that time we understand, okay, they are talking this thing, that's how. We can't remember a lot of vocabulary without putting effort. So from our side, we should put effort. And how? Let's suppose when you are listening anything or watching anything, that time take pen and copy. Okay? Take pen and copy, and when any new word is coming, that time try to jot down. And don't let that things over there. Do some more hard work. After writing, make the sentences, okay, relatable sentences, so that you can remember. Let's suppose any new word is coming, that time if you are not writing it down, there are a lot of chances that you will forget. So how can you improve your vocabulary if you keep forgetting? And this is the sad thing, that if we learn vocabulary, then we forget. Otherwise we come across a lot of vocabulary, right, while listening, while reading, but the tendency of forgetting the vocabulary is very sad things, or very bad things, I think. But yeah, it's the natural thing that we human beings, we keep forgetting the words. But what if we try our level best? That I think we can do something. What? Try our level best. How? If we are watching any video, if we are listening anything, that time we should write down and try from our side that make the sentences, and then there will be less chance that we will forget the word which we are watching or which we come across. Okay? एक तो ये चीज़ हो गई कि जब हम कोई वीडियो देखते हैं और सुनते हैं तो जो चीज़ें, नई चीज़ें आती हैं, जैसे नया वर्ड्स आता है, नए सेंटेंसेस आते हैं, तो हम उसको वहीं का वहीं छोड़ देते हैं। पहला मिस्टेक तो हम ये करते हैं। दूसरा, अगर हम किसी तरीके से लिख भी लेते हैं थोड़ा एफर्ट लगा के, तो फिर थोड़ा सा और एफर्ट नहीं लगाते हैं। आई मीन दैट वी डोंट ट्राई टू पुट लिटिल बिट मोर एफर्ट. In which term? That if we can use that one again and again, then there will be less chances that we will forget. Okay? So after writing vocabulary, try to use, then you will not forget. And this is the one way that you can improve your vocabulary smart way. Otherwise, there are 90% people, they are watching and they are not writing. Only 10% people, they watch and then they write and they do hard work. And that is why their English is improving day by day. However, the person who is not doing, that person English is not improving. That is the fact. Okay? So if you are someone and watching my video, then from today onwards, go and while listening, while watching, if any new word comes, then try to write down and use it deliberately while speaking with your co-learner. Okay, do this thing, and then you will see that day by day you will accumulate a lot of vocabulary, and it will be easy for your mind to retain the words. Okay, and you will not forget. First thing, while listening or while watching, do this thing. Other thing, that same thing we do while reading also. When we read, we just read, we don't focus on the vocabulary. But while reading, if we are a learner, I'm not talking about if you are well speaker. If you are a well speaker, I think that you can understand whole book what is written. But as a beginner or intermediate, sometime we face problem, right? And I do face problem still while reading book. So if any new words occurs, at the time what do? I try to, color that word. Afterward, I try to Google that word and then try to use that word. And that's how my vocabulary is improving, I feel. But still, it is very difficult things to do, okay? Doesn't matter you are a beginner or intermediate or a fluent speaker. For everyone, they should do such things to improve their vocabulary. Why? Because it is the fact, it is the difficult thing to do while learning this language, okay? If you talk about grammar, you can complete it within few months. I mean, you can work on basic grammar within few months, but coming to speaking vocabulary, but coming to enhancing vocabulary, it takes a lot of time, as well as we can't learn every vocabulary, right? So when we read newspaper, when we watch any video, so it is sure that we come across any new words, right? Either we are beginner or intermediate or advanced. So it's our responsibility. While watching, we should write down and then remember. Second thing, while reading also, if we come across any new word, let's try to focus on that word and work on that one. Otherwise, you will finish the book. But if I ask some vocabulary, you might be able to tell the exact meaning of the vocabulary. And if you don't know the meaning of vocabulary, then there are less chances that you may have understood whatever you read in your book, right? So that is the reason. While reading also, sometimes we should try to Google it. See, we are not in the level where we have started enjoying the book, right? I think that if we are a beginner and intermediate, that time we can't enjoy reading book, right? Why? Because we have to learn vocabulary, we have to understand sentences and what is written, that meaning also. For that one, we have to struggle. And I do. That is struggling still now, okay? While reading book. But somewhere I feel that my English is improving, my understanding is also improving, and along with my speaking, my reading is also improving. And that's what I wanted. When I was a beginner, then I didn't know how to read book properly. But as I kept reading, now my reading has also improved. When I read, I understand a lot of things. Initially, I could not understand, okay? So in your case also, for learning this vocabulary smart way, first of all, while listening, try to write down and then try to use them deliberately while talking to the people. Second thing, while reading also, try to write them down and try to Google them and then put effort from your side, okay? That's how you can enhance your vocabulary. And same thing goes with the speaking also. Let's suppose you are writing and searching the meaning after finding out from the book or from any videos. If you are not using, again and again, there are chances that your vocabulary will remain in your copy only. It will not come in your mind. So for bringing that vocabulary from our copy to our mind, it needs practice. Which kinds of practice? Deliberately speaking, okay? So whenever you learn any words, try to use deliberately, whether that person is understanding or not in your initial day. But once you become a fluent speaker, don't try this one, because it's not a good way to communicate. But we are in the learning phase, we are allowed to do that things. But once we improve our English, I mean that if we are very fluent, we should not use advanced words. Otherwise, the person with whom we are talking, they may not understand whatever we are saying. So when we are in learning phase, that time we are allowed to do such things. So yeah, where I was talking about listening and then reading, and then same try to speak again and again, then it will retain in your mind for a long time. And then while speaking, automatically that word will start coming. Okay? And for making it automatic, what you need to do? Practice again and again. That deliberately try to use while talking to your friend, while talking to your co-learner, or while doing any work. And last but not the least, story reading as well as storytelling. See my friend, nowadays we are very much attached to our mobile phone, right? We are spending a lot of time on our screen. So we can do one thing, that before sleeping we should read book, okay, so that our screen time also decrease and our vocabulary, I guess, that it will improve. What I do, my friend, I watch a story and then I try to explain it. Okay, to be honest, I don't have a story book, so what I do, I read books. Okay, I don't have a story book separately, but I read book, and in that one I get a story and I get so many things. I mean, I get a lot of vocabulary. So either you read a story or any book, novel and all, so you can entertain as well as you can learn vocabulary also. See my friend, I found storytelling was the easiest way for me. Initially it was very difficult. I was unable to explain the whole story as it is, but when I kept doing in front of my friends, so initially I was unable, but when I kept doing, then things started getting easier for me. Nowadays also I do storytelling, and I've been doing for a long, okay, and somewhere I feel that this thing is helping me a lot in order to improve my English. So in your case also, if you want to enhance your vocabulary and improve your speaking, then do such activity and learn vocabulary a smart way. Don't try to entangle in that one for a long time. How you can be entangled? If you keep watching a video but you don't put effort, then you will have to do that work again and again. But what's the thing that we can do a smart way, that we can write and then deliberately use while speaking? These kinds of things make us little bit different from other one, right? And we want to speak this language very, very fluently. But there are two kinds of people. First one, they watch but they ignore, and second kinds of person, that they are watching but they are writing down. After that, they are using while speaking deliberately, or they are just utilizing that word, and they are doing a lot of things with that vocabulary, making sentences as well as using in their daily routine. And that's how it is very easy for them to learn vocabulary and very hard to forget those vocabulary whatever they have watched from any videos. So in your case also, don't keep these kinds of things. So first thing, whenever you listen, consciously try to listen and try to write them down. When any new word comes, उसको लिख लीजिए. आपको 4-5 चीज़ें करनी चाहिए. जैसा कि पहले चीज़ हो गया, लिसनिंग करते समय आपको उस चीज़ को लिख लेना चाहिए, फिर उसको प्रैक्टिस में लाना चाहिए. वही बात रीडिंग के साथ भी होती है. अगर आप रीडिंग कर रहे हैं तो अगर न्यू वर्ड्स आता है तो उसको आप गूगल करिए और सर्च करिए मीनिंग, और उसके बाद उसको सेंटेंस बनाने का कोशिश करिए. ऐसे ऐसे जो आपका वोकैबुलरी होगा वो इम्प्रूव होगा. और मेन थिंग क्या होता है कि जब तक आप उसको प्रैक्टिस में नहीं लाएंगे, आप किसी भी चीज़ को लर्न नहीं कर पाएंगे. चाहे वो वोकैबुलरी हो गया, चाहे वो ग्रामर हो गया, ठीक है. अगर आप उसको सेपरेटली लर्न करके छोड़ दे रहे हैं और उसको आप प्रैक्टिस में नहीं ला रहे हैं, देन you will forget. There are chances that you will forget, my friend. For that reason, if you are learning, little bit learn and then little bit try to bring that things into the practice, and you will see that your English will improve, your vocabulary will enhance, and you will speak this language fluently and effortlessly. I hope my video was helpful for you. If it is, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.